Hi, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and here's another answer to your algo trading questions. Today's question has to deal with time management. So, as an algo trader, as an algorithmic trader, somebody's asking how should they be scheduling their day? What should they be doing? Now, they say they're experienced in futures and Forex, but only from a discretionary trading basis. So it's a different world once you go into algos, okay? So I don't know all the particulars about your particular situation, but I can tell you in general how I spend my time when I'm trading. And it kind of breaks down to this chart where there's three major sections. There's the monitoring live strategies, they're developing new strategies, and then enhancing my trading skills. So the smallest section is probably monitoring live strategies. Once you have strategies that are up and running and they're automated, it doesn't take much to just check on them a few times a day and make sure they're still in sync with the strategy backtest. So that's a pretty small part. I estimated it over about a week of me recording times. About 13% of my time was spent on that. Most of my time was spent on developing new strategies. It was well over 50%. And the way I look at that is it's research and development. It's R&D. If you want to have a good ongoing trading business, you're going to want to keep building strategies and build new strategies and add to your strategies. That's what it's all about. Without that pipeline of new strategies, hey, if your old ones fail, which they sometimes do, then you're in real trouble. So I spent a lot of time developing new strategies. And then the third part, about 25 to 30% of my time, is spent enhancing my trading skills. That could be reading books. It could be searching internet sites and seeing what other people are doing. It could be taking courses. Whole bunch of things in this realm. But the idea is you want to keep growing as a trader. I can tell you, I algo traded 5 years ago. I algo traded 10 years ago. Yet I'm a completely different trader than I was back then because of things I've learned and the ongoing knowledge. So I think that's a really important part of trading is the knowledge and keeping it up. It could be books that you're reading on psychology. It could be building portfolios. There's all sorts of things you can work on that aren't necessarily building strategies. But definitely carve out some time for those. Well, I hope you liked my description of how I spend a lot of my trading days. Let me know in the comments, how do you spend your days? Maybe you do things differently. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll keep making more videos. I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey. Have a great day.